Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast. It's March 15th, 2026, and the crypto markets are holding strong after a volatile week. Today, Bitcoin resists global headwinds, ETF inflows break records, and a new study reveals how secure the network really is. First up, Bitcoin continues to show resilience, trading around $71,000, even as conflict in the Middle East intensifies and oil prices surge above $100 a barrel. After a sharp but brief reversal following U.S. military strikes on Iran's Karg Island, Bitcoin only dipped 3.5% before rebounding. Traders seem to be treating war headlines as temporary shocks, and every major crypto, from Ether to Solana, posted gains this week. Still, the $73,000 to $74,000 resistance remains unbroken, and all eyes are on next week's Federal Reserve meeting, where any hint of interest rate hikes could hit risk assets hard. In the second story, spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the U.S. just logged their first 5-day inflow streak of this year, with over $767 million pouring in. On Tuesday alone, ETFs attracted about $250 million. These funds now hold nearly $92 billion in assets, signaling sustained institutional interest despite global volatility. Analysts note, though, that Bitcoin remains range-bound, with key liquidity clusters building around the $71,000 and $73,000 marks, suggesting the market might continue consolidating unless major macro events trigger a breakout. Finally, a groundbreaking Cambridge study finds it would take the simultaneous failure of 72% of the world's submarine internet cables to cause global disruption to Bitcoin nodes. Even then, the network is more likely to degrade gradually than collapse outright. However, a targeted cyber attack on just 5 key hosting providers, like Amazon or Google Cloud, could be much more damaging, knocking nodes offline with far less disruption. On the plus side, increasing use of the TR network by Bitcoin nodes has actually made the system even tougher to isolate, especially as infrastructure becomes concentrated in highly connected regions of Europe. To recap, Bitcoin's resilience against both war and economic uncertainty, strong ETF inflows hinting at growing mainstream adoption, and new evidence that the network is physically harder to disrupt than previously thought. Be sure to subscribe for tomorrow's top crypto stories and check out more insights at our blog, link in the show notes.